Welcome guys to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be talking about keypad problems, especially the star, 0 and hash. And from what you can see here, the mid line of that 0 has gone out. So in this video we are going to fix it back, and I want to also remind you that it is the hash, that midline and hash, that is feeding both star and that's 0. So in case you have that kind of problem, you can know how to connect it. So you see how I connected it with jumper. Fine. As you can see what I'm doing, I just applied small glue to that place where it's supposed to stay. Then I'm fixing it there. You have to make it strong so that it won't move easily. Also make sure that nothing touch any other point. If it touches any other point, then there is problem. It can affect the functionality. This is how to repair it when there is any line block between the 0, hash and star in this button phone. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe too before we go forward. So after now, we are going to test all that we have done to see whether they are pressing. So I want you to take note of how I'm going to couple it. I'm going to make these lines not to touch because the jumper wires are not totally insulated. They are not totally insulated. So if any touch occurs, then there will be problem. So watch how I'm using masking tape to do the arrangement to keep it from touching any other thing. So it's going to take some time. But I think it's worth it. After all, the customer is gonna pay. The customer is gonna pay for all those time. So that is it. Now I'm starting up the phone. Let us test how far we've gone, whether what we did is going to work. So watch out. See, it's pressing. Hash is pressed. 0 has pressed, and hash has also pressed. So that is it, which means we got it. We got the connection. It worked. So what we have to do now is to set the arrangement. Arrange it well so as to put those pads there, so that when we couple it finally, it's going to press freely on its own. So watch out as I also do that.
Thank you.